Ang mga buyer hindi bumibili ng produkto lang. They're buying the offer. And this is how to sell a pen. In 3 different ways and offer. 1. Solution-based selling. Ibenta mo ang problem na nasusolve ng product mo. Because people buy a relief from a problem. Ganto kasi yan. Pagod ka na ba sa ballpen na hindi dire-diretso ang sulat? At bigla na lang tumitigil ang tinta kapag nagsusulat ka? Mr. Customer, I have a pen. This pen writes smoothly until the very last drop. Ganyan magbenta sa solution-based selling. 2. Emotion-based selling. Ito naman, nakafocus sa feeling and personal connection. Because logic makes people think. But emotion makes them act. Ganito yan. This is a very special pen. Ito kasi yung unang ginamit ko nung unang nagsulat ako ng libro. And it changed my life. This works because people don't just buy the product. Okay? They buy the feelings that is attached to the product. That's why it works. 3. Identity-based selling. Ito naman is nakafocus on who your buyer becomes after they purchase your product. Because people buy things that reflects their identity. Ganito yan. This pen, this is not for everybody. It's for people who takes their ideas, work, and goal seriously. So your buyers think, that's the kind of person I wanna be. So yun, bibili na siya sa'yo.